Are you looking for the best airbrush compressors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best airbrush compressors that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OFFPRO twin-cylinder airbrush compressor. This premium twin-cylinder airbrush compressor operates very smoothly with an amazing 1-gallon tank that runs at 1/3 of a horsepower. The precision-forged pistons can deliver a maximum of 100 psi, though the engine runs on 2 power modes for any task and have automatic start and stop settings for power saving and reducing heat from the motor. This machine is great for high-quality body art, and maintains enough air pressure for all your brushing needs throughout one paint job. Our solution to a limited bathroom space is here. Moving on at number 4, we have the Master Airbrush TC40T. This single-cylinder piston motor runs at 1/6 of a horsepower off of any 110 to 120 volt outlet. It's designed to work only when you do, producing full-capacity air on demand with a preset turn-on pressure of 43 psi which can reach up to 57 psi. The air itself is drawn from the large 0.8-gallon storage tank for a constant regulated pressure while airbrushing. The entire system is regulated with a gauge and water trap which allows for precise adjustment of airflow as well as air that's clean and dry, meaning your paints, thin oils, inks, and other mediums won't ever be watered down when they come out. At number 3, we have the Master Airbrush G22 Multi-Purpose Airbrush Kit. This is easily one of the best airbrush compressors for both the beginner and the professional. It's also one of the largest kits available along with the compressor, containing 24 popular airbrush paints, an airbrush cleaning pot, cleaning solution, and a universal airbrush holder. The included 6-inch braided air hose has a universal airbrush holder with a 0.3 mm nozzle which is made from high-quality precision components that enable the airbrush to provide exceptional atomization and accurate spray control. At number 2, we have the Zeni Pro 1/5 HP Airbrush Air Compressor Kit. The ZENY gives you a lot of features for a small price. The piston compressor can produce up to 95 psi with its 1/5 HP motor. It has a 3-liter air tank and a pressure regulator that pressurizes the tank up to 57 psi before shutting it off to conserve power. If you want more pressure, turn off the regulator and the compressor can produce up to 95 psi. It has enough power for crafting, cake decorating, and body painting. The ZENY is compact, measuring 12.6 by 6.9 by 15.1 inches, and weighs about 12 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit. We have yet another airbrush compressor model of Master Airbrush in this article. And just like the previous one, this is also a multi-purpose kit. This product comes with all the necessary equipment that you need for airbrushing. It is in the 3rd position in this article as you get a great airbrush called Airbrush G22 with it. Airbrush G22 is a high-performance quality product that comes with a 1/3 of an ounce gravity fluid cup and a 0.3 mm fluid tip. The compressor itself comes with a 1/5 of a horsepower air compressor with air filtration and regulation system. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.